A trick to get the steering knuckle out on a Massey Ferguson 235, but most of the Masseys, and actually even other tractors, you put a plate there. Maybe this plate is too thick. I think you can see that the whole rubber is gone. There's quite some movement on it, and if I try to steer, you see that this steering rod starts to move earlier than this one, so there's a lot of play. To get this off, you have to first loosen the bolt a bit. So lefty loosey, but it's the other side, so you have to go that way. So you have to turn it up. That's an important one. And you don't want to put too much force on this, because if you crack the gearbox, you can basically throw away the old tractor. The amount of work involved to fix that is just insane, so you don't want to risk that. So you put a little plate there that can transfer the load better. This bolt is very broken, so I'm struggling to turn this around. I give it a bit of time. The idea is that if the outside gets hot, or hotter than the inside, it also should loosen up. Did it pop itself? Yeah, you see that? Loose. Normally you don't need the heat, but if you put tension on it and the hammer doesn't work, that's the safest solution. So that's done. Let me show the other side, where I do it the normal way. Let's see if it works there. So let's see if we can do it the normal way. Oh wait, let me say that this is the first attempt. So, how to easily remove a steering knuckle on a Massey Ferguson, but actually most tractors have the same problem, especially the old ones. I've never touched a new tractor, so I'm not sure there. If it's like before 2000, you probably have something like this, or 1990. Also the mini tractors like Kubota, Iseki, they all have this idea. So after a while you will feel the tension. You don't have to over tighten it. Just if you can push it down with your thumb, it's probably still too loose. Okay, that's getting hard enough. Why does my tractor not do that the easy way? So the key here is to protect the frame before you start smashing. Just don't smash the tractor. Then it's better just to keep driving with a shitty steering knuckle. doesn't work. Maybe it's because it doesn't work because it's winter here. It's 0 degrees Celsius. I'm done. Nice. So now you can unscrew the nut fully. Don't touch it though. Or touch it, whatever. Actually in winter it's nice to touch something hot. You see it's off, and now you unscrew the other side. Then you can go to the store to get a new one. You see, this was the good one. It does smell a bit of rubber, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Just a small one, quick tip. Quick tip. How to do this stuff. I'm also not an expert, and most people that have a tractor like this, they are not a mechanic. At best case, they are a farmer or something. Let me think. Oh, you see that? This whole thing is loose. This one is really bad. Look at the play. Like there's no rubber in this thing left. So you unscrew this here, and then you take the whole thing out, and then that's it. Thanks for watching.